So, hello everyone, and welcome to the We Will Listen podcast. Today, we have a very special guest here today, Mrs. Jaya Chaudhary. She is my school counselor, senior school counselor at KC Public School, and she is a PGT and a psychologist, and she also teaches us psychology in our school. She's a great person. I've been with her, and I'm really honored to have her here on this podcast to discuss her perspectives on mental health and everything that surrounds it. So, hello, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah. Hi, Karan. It's a great platform that you're having here. I have seen few of your videos, and I am actually honored to be here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, let's get started. And my first question to you is which mental health disorders do you feel teenagers face the most? Matlab, whenever teenagers come up to you and they come up to you as a school counselor, they approach you as a school counselor, and if they approach you as a therapist privately, what do you see? Which are the most common mental health disorders teenagers nowadays face?
Uh, uh, Considering my school counseling experience, when I was the only school counselor in KC Public School, first and foremost problems that we used to have were quite a lot of disciplinary problems, which used to be sent to me through the teachers. And what I figured out during my talking with students and asking them, and trying to figure out why we are having so many of these issues with, especially with teenagers, was I found that there was a lack of, what do you say, instructional problem. They could not follow the instructions properly given by the teachers. And I think this starts from a very young age. So I also counseled few students from the junior school, and it tallied with my observation that yes, children, they are not able to follow the teacher's instructions, because suddenly, there was a movement in our school system that we have to just speak in English with the students. If a very small child who's still learning ABCs, आप उसके साथ उसकी mother tongue, you don't speak to the child in the child's mother tongue, and you start instructing the child, how will the child understand the instructions? And that becomes a habit. So I found that that was the actually it's going off the subject of mental health. So then the second problem was that I saw observed was uh, children were stressed because of their uh, these tuitions, schedules, especially the board exam students. They could not manage their time very well, and they used to be very stressed. They used to say कि मैम अभी मेरा टेस्ट स्कूल में था, अभी मेरा टेस्ट ट्यूशन में है, मैं कार में भी जाती हूँ या जाता हूँ, मतलब जो राइड उनकी, they get their ride to the tuition, and then they sleep in the ride also, and they are studying, sometimes they are studying in the ride, then they are doing their homework also at home, and then they have to do the homework of the tuition. So they were so stressed, you know when I spoke to them, those children, ninth and 10th standard students. And as far as 11th and 12th are concerned, they mostly don't come to me for help. I don't know why. And I also felt that, I think there was a taboo, maybe.
Yes, ma'am, there is.
And there was a taboo. There was a big taboo that I don't need a counselor, or if I go to the counselor, what will everybody say? Even in youngsters, so there's a little bit of a taboo. But whenever they come with relationship problems. They come with adjustment problems if they are coming from different schools. Sometimes students, they are coming to class 11th from different schools, so they have those kinds of problems, adjusting and all that.
Yes, ma'am. I'll tell you from on-ground experience. I have been around all of these, and to be very honest, I have had the same issues in class 9th and 10th. That I have a lot of stress because that is the first time where you are, exposed to a lot of problems, and you're exposed to a lot of, stress due to studies, and that is actually the period that I'll say adolescence peaks, because at that point of time you have a lot of problems. Relationship problems are there,
Mm,
there are study problems, there are time management problems, and in class
mm,
9th and 10th, typically the person is 14 to 15 years old. So
Hmm.
what they feel is it gets overwhelming. It gets
Hmm.
overwhelming. So at a point of time, they do consider going to a school counselor or even going to a therapist.
Hmm.
But
And
yeah,
yes, continue.
yeah. I was saying, and coming back to class 11th and 12th, why they didn't reach out to you, I'll tell you. Because when you reach class 11th and 12th, you have somewhat not found a way to process it healthily. But what happens is that you just learn to live with it. You just learn to live with the stress. You just learn to, even in class 11th and 12th, a lot of people, they don't manage their time properly. But what they do is they just get used to it. And that is why they don't.
Because they are told that they have to get used to it by the society, by our society. They are told that I don't know why you are feeling stressed. Why? There's nothing wrong. We have been through it all. And because time changes, the parents, they don't understand. The older people, they don't understand. The teachers, they don't understand. One thing is there, they don't understand that हाँ, हमारे टाइम में भी होता था, सब कुछ होता था, हमें भी होता था, हम तो कर लेते थे डील। भाई हमारे टाइम में तो काउंसलर नहीं होते थे, हमारे टाइम तो हमें नहीं, तुम्हारे टाइम ही ये सब होता है, डिप्रेशन होता है। ऐसा नहीं होता है। इट इज the changing times, the changing scenarios. There is overpopulation now. There is lack of resources. पानी कम हो गया है, बिजली कम हो गई है, जगह कम हो गई है, बच्चों को पार्क्स नहीं है जाने को, and add to it the pandemic. So वो टाइम नहीं है जब हमारे टाइम पे टीवी नहीं होता था। टीवी नहीं होता था तो हमें घर में न्यूज़पेपर में भी हम कॉमिक पढ़ के हम टाइम निकाल लेते थे। सो हम अब वो हम उन बच्चों अपने अपनी जनरेशन के बच्चों से हम वो अब इस जनरेशन के बच्चों से वैसे कैसे एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं? सो what people fail to understand is the changing times. So the problem changes with the changing time,
Yes.
and then the solutions also change the same way. The solutions also change. So solution is that looking at the times, CBSE has made it a mandatory thing that every school must have a counselor. So that's how I came into picture. So I was hired. So, but
Yeah.
still, but I would say there is a big gap. There needs to be a lot of awareness, and I hope that through your blog, it becomes so popular that everybody watches it. The parents watch it, the teachers watch it, and everybody relevant watches it, and they understand the problem, what the problem
Yeah.
is. ये नहीं है कि अब लोगों को पता चल गया है कि डिप्रेशन होता है, या लोगों को पता चल गया है कि मेंटल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स होती है। ना, ये हमेशा से थी, हाँ। But with the changing times and changing scenarios, the problems change and the solutions also change, and you must accept change.
That is absolutely right, ma'am. And that is our mission कि लोगों को पता तो चले। And थोड़ा सा ना इसमें और वो आ जाता है कि लोगों को पता है कि ये डिसऑर्डर्स हैं, कि डिप्रेशन है, एंजाइटी एग्जिस्ट करती है, तेरा स्ट्रेस डिसऑर्डर्स, बहुत कुछ है, साइकोलॉजिकली बहुत सारे इश्यूज हैं। बट दी थिंग इज कि लोगों को ना उनकी इंट्रिकेसीज नहीं पता होती कि किस चीज को आप डिप्रेशन क्लासिफाई करोगे, किस चीज को आप बीइंग सैड क्लासिफाई करोगे। And that is where I wanted to ask you my next thing. Among teenagers, awareness, I'll not say awareness hai, there is a talk, एक talk start हो गई है about mental health, but awareness अभी भी नहीं है, because I know a lot of people who, whenever they're feeling sad due to anything, they say that they're depressed. And I know some people who might be actually going through depression, and they project a very happy picture towards others that no, I am fine, everything is fine with you, tell me about yourself. So that is what I wanted to ask you. How can a teenager, not just a teenager, anybody, how can they self-diagnose that whether they have a mental health disorder, or whether they should approach a psychologist, and whether they should seek some help from anybody?
Yeah. Okay. Very, very relevant question. And I must say that you are very, very, what do you say? You understand the problem very well. And that is how, that is why what I like about you is your approach to it is very real. So yes, how do we diagnose the problem? How, I mean, not diagnose in our own self कि problem कब है? So problem तब हो जाती है, the problem हम तब identify करते हैं when एक number one, there is a, अगर कोई और identify कर रहा है तो number one कि there is a sudden behavioral change in the behavior of your child or your student or your friend. ठीक है, peers, या तो peers देख सकते हैं कि suddenly my friend is not talking, suddenly a very funny guy is not cracking jokes, suddenly a girl who used to like dressing up, or who used to like going out doesn't want to come out of her room. So these are some very apparent signs. Number one, behavioral change. Okay, then the second thing is dropping grades. So अगर suddenly किसी के grades नीचे गिर रहे हैं suddenly, तो वो कभी भी हो सकता है, 11th में हो सकता है, 10th में हो सकता है, छोटे बच्चे में भी हो सकता है, बड़े बच्चे में भी हो सकता है, adult में भी हो सकता है. अब adults जो जॉब करते हैं या काम करते हैं, उनमें क्या होता है? उनमें dropping grades नहीं होता, उनमें होता है dysfunction. There are actually 4 Ds जो मैं बच्चों को पढ़ाती भी हूँ. मेंटल जब हमारा साइकोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर्स शुरू होता है तो उसमें 4 Ds आते हैं. मुझे शायद सारे याद भी नहीं होंगे. डिसफंक्शन, ओके, डिसफंक्शन के ऊपर मैं बात कर रही हूँ. डिसफंक्शन जो है वो सबसे बड़ा एक इंपॉर्टेंट क्लू है. डिसफंक्शन मींस कि जो आप अपनी डेली रूटीन है, नहाने का मन नहीं करेगा आपको, राइट, तैयार होने का मन नहीं करेगा. अगर आप खेलते कूदते थे, आपको खेलने का मन नहीं करेगा. अपनी रूटीन एक्टिविटीज, यू विल नॉट वांट टू डू दोज एक्टिविटीज एनीमोर. सो डिसफंक्शन, change in your behavior, sudden change in your behavior. And again, डिप्रेशन को भी हम ऐसी, जब आपका डिसफंक्शन आ जाए, आपको स्कूल जाने का मन ना करे, ठीक है, अगर आप स्टूडेंट हैं तो यू विल नॉट वांट टू गो टू स्कूल, यू विल नॉट वांट टू इवन गो टू आउट टू प्ले और मीट योर फ्रेंड्स और गो फॉर अ मूवी और एनी आउटिंग और मीट योर फैमिली और टॉक टू फैमिली. सो ये भी डिसफंक्शन है. आप अपनी नॉर्मल एक्टिविटीज को नहीं कर पाते हो जब, दैट इज अ डिसफंक्शन. एंड वो बहुत एक सीरियस इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. तो ये डिसफंक्शन होते 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 आपके ग्रेड्स भी गिरेंगे, आपकी जॉब में आपको प्रॉब्लम होने लगेगी बिकॉज एब्सेंटिज्म बढ़ जाएगा आपका. सो योर एम्प्लॉयर्स विल स्टार्ट हैविंग प्रॉब्लम्स विद यू. सो होस्ट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स दे स्टार्ट क्रॉपिंग अप. सो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इन चिल्ड्रन इज सडन चेंज ऑफ बिहेवियर एंड अगेन फॉलोड बाय एनी काइंड ऑफ डिसफंक्शन. सो ये डिसफंक्शन जो है 1-2 दिन में तो पता चलेगा नहीं. इट विल टेक अबाउट फ्यू वीक्स टू सेट इन. ठीक है, 1-2 दिन में तो डिसफंक्शन का नहीं पता चलेगा. सो मे बी 6 weeks is a good time. अगर आपको 6 weeks तक, if you still feel that I'm still sad and I still don't want to do the normal activities, मेरे को तो 1 दिन में पता चल जाता है. Like if I love music, right? तो मेरे को कोई भी स्ट्रेस दूर करने के लिए कान में लगाऊंगी. Even if I have to cook, कान में लगा लूंगी, या ऐसे लगा लूंगी, रेडियो लगा लूंगी, कुछ भी लगा लूंगी, and I feel good. ठीक है, भागने चली जाऊंगी, कुछ भी मेरी एक्टिविटीज है. एंड द मोमेंट मुझे कुछ लगेगा कि मेरे को आई डोंट फील लाइक लिसनिंग टू म्यूजिक, दैट इज अ वार्निंग साइन फॉर मी. मुझे म्यूजिक नहीं सुनने का मन कर रहा. आई हैव टू डू समथिंग नाउ, समथिंग इज रॉन्ग. सो आई शुड आइदर शट माय आईज, टेक अ नैप, और यू नो डू समथिंग टू एलिविएट दैट थिंग that is happening to me. So these are temporary things. लेकिन जब ये सारे fixes भी fail हो जाएं आपके, you know, talking to a friend on the phone, कभी कभी catharsis जिसको कहते हैं, talking to a friend on the phone, मैंने बात कर दी, that moment of relief, right? So आपने बात कर दी उसके साथ, but that one friend must be a very very trustworthy friend. So it can be a parent, it can be your bestest friend, childhood friend. Be very careful on with whom you share that catharsis with. अगर गलत इंसान से कर लिया तो again you will have many more problems than solutions. So right, so ये चीजें हैं. अगर आपके क्विक फिक्सेस से अगर आप ठीक नहीं हो रहे हो और आपका ये डिसफंक्शन और ये चेंज ऑफ बिहेवियर ये चलता ही जा रहा है, it means you need help, and you must start by talking to your parents, right? And then the parents must accept and understand कि हाँ, मेरे बच्चे को प्रॉब्लम है. आई मस्ट लिसन टू माई चाइल्ड फर्स्ट. एंड ऑब्वियसली वो ऑब्जर्व भी कर रहे होंगे कि नहीं नहीं, हाँ ये तो ठीक बोल रही है, इतने दिनों से इसने कुछ नहीं किया, ऐसा नहीं किया, ये नहीं करती थी, कर नहीं रही है. So they will accept that. When they accept it, then they can offer a solution. Talk to your teacher or talk to your counselor, and then the counselor will आगे lead the way. How grave the problem is, will it be talked by just a cathartic talk, or something else is needed?
Yes, ma'am. And you know, for this reason only, जो हमने We Will Listen नाम हमने We Will Listen इसीलिए रखा था क्योंकि a lot of people around us, I feel कि उतना ना trust नहीं आ पाता कि even among friends they feel, क्योंकि एक sense of competition रहती है. So they fear talking to their friends also कि अगर मैंने अपने किसी friend को बताया तो they might use it wrong in a wrong way against me and
तो
go.
वही तो बात है, वो फ्रेंड्स नहीं है.
Yeah, so that is why we tried to do this. We will listen to it, set up a forum digitally. This way you can text us anonymously, where we won't know who you are, but you can text us anonymously for that purpose of that catharsis only. See, you might not feel that comfortable with a person, but you might feel that with an organization, because we will listen
Good.
is not just me. So you can, and even if it's anonymous, so there is not that factor of somebody can misuse it. So that is why
Yes.
we opened that forum ki somebody can text us अगर किसी को मतलब if you want to get something off your chest, मतलब किसी को बस एक बारी सुनाने से अगर better feel होता है. So that is why we have that forum. This way people text us anonymously and they tell us about their problems, and we just listen, and we don't try to give them some solutions, and we just recognize and acknowledge their problems, that yes, this is valid and your problems are valid and you'll get through it. So that is what we tried to do with this initiative, and that is why we also made this catharsis. So I think
It is
we've
good.
had a very productive discussion today. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a great pleasure having you here. We've had some great discussion, and I'm really looking forward for more of these discussions with you.
Definitely, definitely. It was, like I said, it was my honor to be on this show, and you spoke to me about it a month back, and I said, Karan is not coming back. Why is he not getting back to me with this? So
I,
I was like waiting. Kya ho
yeah,
gaya? Did he forget?
I got a
So
bit
yes,
busy with
I am.
some college stuff. So yeah,
You are a very, very sensitive person, what I can see, and you have a very good understanding of the issue, and you're doing a great job. And I wish you well. And in any way that I can contribute to this forum, I am always here as a building the confidence of my own students. Backing them up. I am always here helping them out. So anytime.
thank you so much, ma'am. It was great having you here. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.